സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ എപ്പിസോഡില് ക്ലാസ് 6 NCERTയിലുള്ള ഒരു പുതിയ നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റം ഇന്റിജേഴ്സിന്റെ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. അതിനുശേഷം റൂൾസ് ഫോർ അഡീഷൻ ആൻഡ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് അത് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. എല്ലാവരും പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത രണ്ട് ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ്, അതായത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഡിവിഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് നോക്കാം. അതിനുശേഷം 4 ഓപ്പറേഷൻസും ഒന്നിച്ച് വരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എങ്ങനെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യാമെന്നും നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ എല്ലാരും ചാനൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാ. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. അപ്പോ 2 ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് മോർ ദാൻ 2 ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് ഒരേ സമയം നമുക്ക് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അഡീഷനും മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും നമുക്ക് കുറെ ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് ഒന്നിച്ച് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റും, മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റും. പക്ഷെ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും ഡിവിഷനും വരുമ്പോൾ only 2 at a time മാത്രമേ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ രണ്ട് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സിന്റെ ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷന്റെ റൂൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് ഇഫ് ബോത്ത് ദ ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് ആർ വിത്ത് ദ സെയിം സൈൻ, അത്രേ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. ദി പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. That is positive into positive, positive, and negative into negative also is positive. അതാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ പ്രത്യേകത. 2 പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും, 2 നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും പോസിറ്റീവ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. And if one of the integers is positive and the other one is negative, always the product will be negative. That is positive into negative is negative and negative into positive also is negative. And these are the rules for multiplication of integers. നമുക്ക് എക്സാമ്പിൾ എടുക്കാം. പോസിറ്റീവ് 10 into positive 5 is positive 50. Then negative 10 into negative 5 is positive 50. If both are with the same sign, and here positive 10 into negative 5, that is positive into negative is negative, and here negative 10 into positive 5, negative into positive also is negative. And rules for multiplication is comparatively easier than the rules for addition and subtraction. അത് ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും ഡിവിഷനും ഈസിയർ ആണ് ഇന്റിജേഴ്സിന്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ. അപ്പോൾ ദീസ് ആർ ദ റൂൾസ് ഫോർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ. And these are the products. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative also is positive. And positive into negative, negative. Negative into positive also is negative. And suppose you have more than 2 numbers. Minus, what about this product? Minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Plus 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. So, we can conclude that if there are odd number of negative integers to multiply, odd numbers, here 3 negative integers. അപ്പോൾ odd number of negative integers ആണ് നമുക്ക് multiply ചെയ്യാനുള്ളതെങ്കിൽ product will be negative. And suppose there are or there is one more integer to multiply. 4 negative integers multiply ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 4 is even, then the product will be plus. For example, suppose here minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. The product will be plus 30. Okay, and let's discuss the rules for division of integers. ഇവിടെ എന്താണെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചാൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷന്റെ സെയിം റൂളാണ് ഡിവിഷനും. അതായത് positive divided by positive is positive, and negative divided by negative also is positive, and positive divided by negative is negative, and negative divided by positive is also negative. Same rule. Positive divided by positive, positive. Negative divided by negative also is positive. And if one of the integers is negative, the quotient will be negative. So we'll discuss this. Positive 10 divided by positive 5 is equal to positive 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2, we know that. And positive divided by positive is positive. And here minus 10. Negative 10 divided by negative 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 5 also is positive 2. Negative divided by negative is positive. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And here positive divided by negative, that is positive 10 divided by negative 5. The quotient remains the same, but only the sign. And positive divided by negative is negative. And the last is minus 10. These are all examples. Minus 10 divided by plus 5. Negative divided by positive also is negative. And these are the rules for division of integers. And only this much. These rules are so simple, isn't it? Okay, then we'll do the next. That is, we'll simplify these questions. Let's consider the first question to simplify. First one is, we are going to simplify in which all the 4 operations are there. And here in the first question only addition and subtraction. So let's do this. Question is minus 12 minus 1 plus minus 27 minus 3 minus 2. And this is the question. And already I have explained in the episode about mass rule that if there are more than one bracket, this is to be done first. Then in the first step we have minus 12 minus 1 plus minus 27 minus, this is to be done first. What is minus 3 minus 2? It is minus 3 plus minus 2. Subtracting 2 means adding the additive inverse. So we apply that rule first. Then minus 1 plus minus 27 minus, what is minus 3 plus minus 2? It is minus 5. Okay. And here it is minus 12 minus 1 plus minus 27 is, or we will do this first. Subtracting means adding the additive inverse. It is plus 5. Okay, and minus 12 minus, then we simplify this bracket. Okay, minus 1 plus minus 27, both are negative, add and give a common sign. Minus 28 plus 5. Step by step we have to do. Then minus 12 minus, what is minus 28 plus 5? One of the integers is negative, so find the difference. Difference here is 23, but the greater number is having a negative sign. And this is the last step, is minus 12. Subtracting minus 23 is the same as adding 23. Subtracting minus 23 is adding the additive inverse of minus 23 is 23. That is minus 12 plus 23 is what? Find the difference. One is negative, other is positive. Find the difference. Difference is 11 and the greater number is positive. So plus 11 is the answer. And meanwhile, I'll be explaining what do you mean by additive inverse. Additive inverse എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് ഒരു integer positive ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ additive inverse negative ആയിരിക്കും, but the numerical value remains the same. For example, additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Additive inverse of plus 20 is minus 20. Okay, the numerical value remains the same, only the sign changes. And the second one, this is the first answer, plus 11 is the answer. And the second one is, okay, let's do the multiplication. Second one is only to find the product. Only one operation is there in the second question, that is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 53 into minus 5. So we'll rearrange. Numbers may be multiplied in any order. Okay, I just rearranged the order of integers. -1 and -53 written closer and these two. Okay, and we have seen that negative into negative is positive. So 1 into 53 is 53, minus into minus is plus. Into 2 into 5 is 10, again minus into minus is plus. Or since there are 4 integers, negative integers, their product will be positive. I said 4 is even. Even number of negative integers in the product always positive. So the answer is plus 530. This is the answer for the second question. And let's do the third one. Here division is there and multiplication is there. And which one is to be done first? Division and multiplication and division. Okay, DMAS, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Or if there are brackets, the order is BODMAS, the bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is the order. And one episode was there on BODMAS. Please watch it. And here division is to be done first. Minus 65 divided by plus 13. 65 divided by 13 is 5. But negative divided by positive is negative. So the quotient is minus 65 divided by plus 13 is, or we'll do it in order. First division, minus 65 divided by plus 13 is minus 5 into 2 is minus 2. This is the answer. Negative divided by positive is negative. 65 divided by 13 is 5. Then minus 5. We did the division first, then into 2. Minus 5 into 2. Negative into positive is negative. And the last one, it is 4 into 9 minus 7 plus 10 divided by 2 minus 5. This is the last question. And here, which one is to be done first? See, multiplication is there, division is there. So, we will do division first. 4 into 9 minus of minus 7 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then it is 5 minus 5. So, we did division first. Then, in the next step, we have to do this multiplication. 4 9s are 36. Minus 7 plus 5 minus 5. And subtraction means adding the additive inverse. In the next step, all the subtractions we have to convert into addition. Minus 7 is plus 7. Subtracting negative 7 is the same as adding positive 7. And here plus 5 is already there. And subtracting again negative 5 is the same as adding positive 5. So, it has become all plus additions. So add 36 plus 7 is 43. 43 plus 10 is 53. And the sign is positive. Or if you don't write the sign, it means positive. So positive 53 is the what? Simplified answer of this question. And I have given a homework. Please note down this and do it as a homework. It is 12 minus 3 into 49 divided by minus 9. This is to be done first. Okay. And here subtracting minus 32. What to do? Adding 32. And here after doing this bracket, you have to do this curly bracket. And last, you have to simplify the square bracket. Please try this. Okay. And post the answer as a comment. And see you in the next episode. Thank you.